Hello everyone, it's Ivy Live channel. Today we have pickled beetroots. Here are the finished products. Now let's open this because we need to have this very thick cloth, or if you have any spare towels that you don't use, you can use it. It's very hot, so we have to be careful. See, I'm just showing to you how our final products look like. So let's start with these tiny hands. I love beetroots. So straight from our garden. Look how lovely they are. So we need to wash them well first. Wash, wash, wash. So our next step, after washing them, we need to put them in a big casseroles. So we have these very old casseroles. If you have them, they are the best. You can't get them nowadays. The oldest are the best ones. So we need to fill them up with water on their level and put salt on top. I don't know why, but my mother-in-law put salt, so let's say so. And we have to boil them slowly for maybe 2 hours. So let's check the other casserole. Same. Okay, let's cover them and see you later. Now it's cooked and it's very hot. Let's see that it's so hot. We have to cool them down until tomorrow, okay? Because it takes time to cool down because it's a lot. How big is this casserole? Ouch. Okay, so see you. And here we are. It's the next day. After cooling them down, you have to peel them. As you can see, so bright colors. And yeah, that's my mother-in-law doing it because I'm the one filming. And it's the time of the year again to do this. We have to do this every year. And here we are. After peeling them, you have to cut the tips on both sides because those are the hard ones and you don't want them. You only need the smooth one. And we have to use this to get how do you say that, better slices. It gives you better shapes. See, they call this multi-proc. What's the English term for that machine again? I forgot. Just Google it, okay? So yeah, it's easier to do this if you have this this thing. Yeah. It's a multi-function machine, so it gives you many different slices, thinner, thicker if you want it. It also cuts different vegetables, cheese, and other thing. Yeah, so it's a set. Usually you can buy them. You can buy it now with this different sets of kitchen other kitchen tools, you know. Yeah, and then that's it. We have to do this all. See, look at those colors, so bloody red. And again, this is one of my favorite pickled vegetables. I love cucumbers also, but and next to that is I love this one because it's very healthy and it's good for the blood for those who have low blood pressure like me. See, this is the second batch, and then see, these are the products ready to be put in those tiny glasses, jars. So now let's fill those jars now, or bottles. And then we put the spices later. And our mix, our solution, sour solution. So these are only beetroots, slices beetroots, cooked beetroots. Okay, so we need to put one laurel leaves or two or three small pieces, and then we're putting now the cumin powder. I love this cumin powder. It's very delicious, very good, one of the best ingredients. Okay, you can put the cumin powder and you can also use the cumin seeds if you want. And now let's put those, let's put our sour solution. It's a combination of water, vinegar, salt, and sugar. For the ratio, it's my mother's secret recipe. Now you want to make sure that you're not putting too much, because to avoid leaking after when you store them. So it's also good to see if they are all equally, they are even. So check it. And one of the ways to release air inside is get a knife or fork or any sharp object and then do this so the air comes out. And it's time to put on the covers and wipe a little so it's clean and tidy. So now the next step is to boil it slowly, yes, for 30 minutes only, okay? And she's putting a towel, damp towel inside, so, and then fill it up with water, but not too much, okay? Just maybe half. And then see you after 30 minutes, and do that process to all until you're finished. So after boiling, let's cool them down slowly. We must do it slowly, so we have to prepare many papers to put it under the bottles. So here, and if you have this kind of cloth, you know, it's good. And then cover it also later, same on top, okay? The thick, the better, but not so thick, okay, you know. So yeah, and yeah, until you're done with the rest, okay? And after that you put it all here and leave it.